Full-scale industrial plants get ready to ramp up production on Monday.
She believes the safeguards put in place just aren't enough to stop the potential spread of the virus. We bring in Sean Lay, who's live with her story with what the UAW and FCA have to say about it. Sean.
As well as the state. And look, it's just not this mom we're talking to who works on the line there at the Sterling Heights Ram truck assembly plant. We're hearing from a number of people who were excited to get back to their manufacturing jobs, whether it be with the big three or tool and die jobs. They were excited to get back, but once they got back this week, they didn't feel safe once they got there. So we're asking the question tonight, what should you do if you're too scared to go back to work?
I was very happy to go back to work. I thought it was going to be a clean environment, but it definitely wasn't a clean environment at all.
She was excited to return to work at FCA Sterling Heights assembly plant, but after this week, she is scared to go back. She says right off the bat, FCA confirms the ball was dropped on a major safety protocol. A co-worker reported a cough on her health questionnaire. It was somehow missed. She continued to work and then tested positive for coronavirus. A letter went out to employees stating in part, quote, "This is a great opportunity for me to remind you to study in detail the return to work information that has been sent to you. Our protocols are designed to provide safety measures at multiple points and on multiple levels." But with kids at home with health issues, she doesn't know if she will go back.
Your next shift is coming up. What are you going to do?
Honestly, I don't know yet. I'm definitely just praying and trying to keep a clear mind before I make my decision on whether or not I'm going to go back in there on Monday.
Tonight, the UAW says if a member is afraid to go back, they will work with that member on a case-by-case basis. MIOSHA says anyone with safety concerns about their workplace should make a report with the state. For this employee, it's a tough call because she says FCA is offering that employees who are afraid can take a leave of absence but not get paid.
I'm very scared, and it's very heartbreaking.
Now, as plants begin to ramp up production, take a look at your screen because this is important. A brand new MIOSHA hotline just came out today to protect Michigan workers. The hotline 855-SAFE C19, 855-SAFE C19. Tonight, FCA gave us this statement. If an employee is fearful of returning to work due to the COVID-19 pandemic, they may apply for an unpaid leave of absence according to the terms of the collective bargaining agreement. Kimberly and Devin, something we're going to see a lot of as plants begin to ramp up production.
We sure are, right, Sean?